Hope you all are fine and you all must have done your homework, which was short question answers of the lesson Boli. So let us now discuss them. So the first question is, why was Sulekha nicknamed Boli? सुलेखा को सबके द्वारा भोली क्यों कहा जाने लगा? So इसमें आपने क्या रीजंस देने थे? The first one was she was a simpleton. And why she was simpleton? Because when she was 10 months old, she fell off the boat and a part of her brain was damaged. The first reason, a part of her brain was damaged. And the second reason was, that is why she was a slow learner. You can give example. When did she start speaking? She started speaking after the age of 5. This we had done earlier also yesterday. After the age of 5. And when at last she started to speak, she stammered. So these all things you have to include in the answer of this question. Now let us move on to the second question. Why did Sulekha start stammering? कि जब सुलेखा ने बोलना शुरू किया तो वो हकला कर क्यों बोलती थी, अटक अटक कर क्यों बोलती थी? तो अभी लास्ट क्वेश्चन में हमने इसका आंसर दिया है. We have told and in the story that when she was 10 months old, at that time she fell off the boat and some part of her brain got damaged. Some part of her brain got damaged. That is why she was a slow learner. This is the reason that she did not speak till the age of 5. And when at last she started speaking, she stammered. So you will see students that most of the questions include the same type of answers, but you have to give answer according to the question. जिस तरह से क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है, स्टोरी के फैक्ट्स तो सेम ही हैं, आपने उसको उसके अकॉर्डिंग जो है आंसर्स देने हैं. Now let us move on to the third question. Why was Bholi reluctant to go to school with her father? कि जब भोली के पिताजी, जिनका भी नाम रामलाल है, we have read in the story, when तहसीलदार told him to take her daughters to school so that the other villagers also sent their daughters to school. तो रामलाल जब अपनी बेटियों में से they decided, रामलाल and his wife, that they will send Bholi to school and not चंपा. चंपा को नहीं भेजेंगे, भोली को भेजेंगे. और जब भोली को स्कूल लेके जाया जाने लगा, she was reluctant. She was reluctant means she was not willing. Why? So if you will recall the story, you will recall the instance of Lakshmi. Who was Lakshmi? Their cow. So इसका आंसर देने के लिए आप ऐसे स्टार्ट करेंगे. भोली didn't know how the school was like. भोली didn't know how the school was like. कि स्कूल क्या होता है उसको पता नहीं था. But she remembered a few days back when Lakshmi was taken out of home. Their cow. When Lakshmi, their cow, was taken out of home, she was sold and she did not return. So when her father was taking her out of the home, she was reluctant. She thought that they would sell her also. So this is the reason that she was reluctant to go to school. Now the next question is, what made her feel that she was going to a better place than home? उसे कैसे लगा कि जिस जगह पर उसको लेके जाया जा रहा है वो तो स्टूडेंट्स यू नो वेरी वेल कि जब उसको लेके जाया जा रहा था, शी वॉज गोइंग टू अ बेटर प्लेस, विच वॉज दैट बेटर प्लेस, दैट वॉज हर स्कूल। तो उसे कैसे लगा कि वो जगह उसके घर से अच्छी है? सो वी हैव रेड इन द स्टोरी दैट बिकॉज Boli was a simpleton, nobody used to take care of her at home. But when she was being taken to school, she was given a bath and a clean dress to wear, and her hair was oiled. These all things were new to her. So she thought that the place where she was going was better than her home. Now, let us discuss the next question, which is question number 5. Why do Boli's parents accept Bishambar's marriage proposal? Give 3 reasons. Students, again, we will talk about Boli because जो भोली के पेरेंट्स ने बिशंबर का मैरिज प्रपोजल जो है अग्री किया था, Boli's parents accept Bishambar's marriage proposal because the first reason was she was a simpleton and a very slow learner. Second reason is she was not beautiful. Why was she not beautiful? Because at the age of 5 she had an attack of chickenpox, due to which she had permanent deep black pock marks on her face. And the third one is, though they knew that Bishambar was old and lame, yet he was a well-to-do grocer. Well-to-do grocer. कि पहली बात है, जो भोली है वो सिंपलटन थी, नादान थी, स्लो थी और वो ब्यूटीफुल भी नहीं थी। और ऊपर से जो बिशंबर है, हालांकि वो ओल्ड था, लंगड़ा कर चलता था, लेकिन उसके पास बहुत पैसा था। सो ये 3 रीजंस हैं विच यू कैन इंक्लूड इन द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन। नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। हाउ डज शी बिकम अ मास्टरपीस? सो ये हमने कल भी डिस्कस किया था। बिकॉज ऑफ हर टीचर, अगर हम इसको देंगे वो मास्टरपीस कैसे बनी? बिकॉज ऑफ हर टीचर। When she went to the school for the first time, at that time she was scared. She was scared. She was not able to tell her full name to the teacher. All girls laughed at her. वो सब instances आपने देखे। Yet the teacher was very loving and kind. She encouraged her. She gave her books, and by being educated, she became a confident girl and thus was a masterpiece of her teacher. Now the next question is, give detail about Ramlal's children. Students, this we had discussed yesterday also. Ramlal had 7 children, 4 daughters, 3 sons. Bholi was the youngest daughter. The 3 sons, all 3 sons were sent to city. school and colleges. The eldest daughter was Radha. She was already married. The second one was Mangla. Her marriage had been fixed. The third one was Champa. Now Ramlal was worried about Champa and Bholi's marriage, and Bholi was a simpleton and a slow learner. So ये सारे आपने इसमें include करने हैं points. Now the next question is, why did Bholi's parents think her a dumb cow again? You here will talk about then when she was 10 months old, she fell off the boat and a part of her brain was damaged. So she was a slow learner. She did not speak till the age of 5. And when at last she started speaking, she stammered. All these reasons made her parents think that she was a dumb cow, because she was simpleton and she was not able to speak properly. And these are the reasons that why she was a slow learner and why she was not able to speak properly. I want to tell you, if you want to take help from your companion, so why was Sulekha nicknamed Bholi? This is short question answer number 5. You can take help from short question answers number 5 in literature companion. And why was Bholi reluctant to go to school? Question number, short question answer number 10. From your literature companion. What made her feel? You can take it from short question answer number 11. For writing the answer. Question number 5. You can take help from question number 15. And for the answer of the 6th question, you can take help from question number 20 from your literature companion. And for question number 8, you can take help from question number 2. For 8th question, you can take help from question number 2 from your literature companion. So these are your all short question answers. Now let me explain you long question answers. I will explain questions, you try to write it on your own. What kind of treatment is given to Bholi by her parents? Is it justified? कि भोली के माता पिता उसके साथ कैसा व्यवहार करते थे? So you know very well students कि we have read in the chapter that she was a simpleton, she was slow. You can give reasons, state reasons for this, and then you have to include that nobody used to take care of her. She was never given bath. She used to wear ugly dresses. Her hair kept matted. So you can give details of bath, clothes, hair, and after that you can include when they got Vishambar's proposal. Okay. Before that you have to include that. when Ramlal had to send her daughters to school, they chose Bholi because they thought that no one was going to marry her. For school concept, then when it was the talk of Bishambar's proposal, then also Bholi's mother said that nobody is going to marry her. So it doesn't make a difference whether Bishambar was old or he was lame. If she gets married to a person like Bishambar, who is a well-to-do grocer, so she would be lucky. So ये सब आंसर्स आपको आंसर्स के पॉइंट्स इसमें इंक्लूड करते हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिस्कस द रोल ऑफ भोलीज टीचर. ये जो हमने अभी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन किया है पीछे, दैट हाउ डज शी बिकम अ मास्टरपीस. तो इसी को आपने लॉन्ग करके सभी से ऐड करके आपने इसको लिखना है. So hope you will be able to do these answers. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you.